morning, children. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Pugunduru. Now we are going to discuss about oceans and fishes. See, say, how many oceans we have? Yes, exactly. 5 major oceans we have. Number 1, Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean sometimes called as Southern Ocean. If you see our planet, how many planets we have? Yes, 8 planets. Among the 8 planets, where abundantly water is available, on Earth only abundantly water facilities are there. So the Earth 71% covered by water. Remaining 29% it is covered by land. Okay, here we have to discuss about the definition of ocean. The large water bodies separated by continents, that is called oceans. See, Pacific Ocean, North America, South America separates. Pacific Ocean separates North America, South America from Asia. Okay, na? Such a way, large water bodies separates the large water body separates the continents. Then see, Earth is known as water planet, because if you go space, if you see Earth, it is look like blue, so that it appears like blue, so that Earth is called as blue planet, water planet. 71% of the Earth's surface is occupied by seas and oceans. Remaining 29% land area existed. We know very well regarding that. 29% land. An extension of saline water on Earth is called sea. Sea definition different and ocean definition is different. What is sea? An extension of saline water on Earth is called sea. We have Bay of Bengal. If you see India, this side we have Bay of Bengal, this is sea, this side we have Arabian Sea. Generally, seawater touches the countries, continents. Okay? Then large water bodies separated by continents are called oceans. Just now, this definition also we discussed. It will be interesting to learn what lies under the water. Okay, now suppose I ask you what lies under the water, then some enthusiasm will come. Okay, now somebody will say fishes are there inside of the water. Somebody will say, okay, now then big animals are there inside of the water. Like that, some imaginations will come out. Isn't it or not? If we know the relief features of land, relief divisions of land, like land, in oceans, reliefs also presented. What is relief, sir? Suppose if you see our land area, then we have plain areas. Plain means flat areas. We have plateau areas. We have mountains. All these together we can say relief divisions. If you observe keenly the oceans, inside of the oceans also plains located, plateaus located, mountains located. These are all exactly on Earth which relief divisions are located. In oceans, inside of the ocean also, these relief divisions are located. See this picture. Continental shelf. This is a sea floor. This is upper part of the sea is called continental shelf. This is sea level. If you go Bay of Bengal, if you go Pugunduru or else Chirala beach, then you are able to see sea level, that is continental shelf. Okay, na? Then this is continental slope. Such a way reliefs are presented in the bottom of the ocean. Okay, na? This is continental slope. This is a deep sea plain. This is a deep sea plain. This is trench. Trenches are deep points in the oceans. deepest points in the oceans. Suppose on earth, on land, which is the highest mountain, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. How? So Mount Everest height is 8,848 meters. If you plug the Mount Everest, it is not possible. Just imagine if you take the Mount Everest and dip into this trench, it drowned. Even though it is 8,848 meters, it drowned in Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean contains lot of trenches like this. Such a deepest points are located in ocean area. Then deep sea plains also located in ocean area. Okay, na? Deep sea plain flat land areas existed in ocean area. Okay, slopes also existed in ocean area. Like land relief division, so we can observe same relief division on the ocean area also. Okay, now what is ocean relief? Just now I explained you briefly regarding ocean relief. The floor of the ocean is just like the surface of the earth. We discussed this one. Okay, now we are able to see plain areas on earth. Is it possible to see plain areas in the sea? No, through the cameras. So by using the sophisticated technology, we are able to see the places located depth of the sea, deeper point of the sea or ocean. The bottom of the sea is not a flat surface. It consists of hills, mountains, plateaus, plains, trenches, etc., etc. If you listen this one, then you may be surprised by listening these words. Yes, really, na? Like that, some surprises will come in your mind. We generally seeing hills, mountains, but we didn't imagine such a hills, mountains are located in the oceans. Yes, really, these hills, mountains, everything existed inside of the ocean. The major part of the ocean floor is about 3 to 6 kilometers below the sea level. Generally, heights are measured from the sea level. Here point is the major part of the ocean floor is about 3 to 6 kilometers below the sea level. Okay, this is all about introduction part of oceans and fishes. Do you understand? Up to now, what we discussed about. Okay, so only one planet Earth, life is available. Water is also available in this planet. 71% it is covered with water, remaining 29% it is covered with land. Oceans and seas definitions we saw. Ocean means large water bodies separated by continents called oceans. Large water body separated by continents is called oceans. An extension of saline water is called sea. Okay, now we have Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. These are all examples for seas. Afterwards, we discuss about if you wanted to see deep inside of the water, then some enthusiasm will come. Surprises we will see. So, like our land relief, same relief divisions existed on ocean also. This is continental shelf, continental slope, deep sea plain, then sea, especially trenches are deepest points in the ocean area. All those topics we covered in this session.